Díomh a chuirde, tá Fáilte romh hic an gcainéal. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, A Shane Do Tree Learn Irish. An gcainéal seo, playing with gach rud a bhaineann le teanga na Gaeilge. On this channel, we look at all things Irish language. Focal, árainn, scéalta, gramadach, star, mythology, agus níos mó fós. Words, songs, stories, grammar, history, myth, and more. Agus tá fís an aghainn do gach levéal fáilme. And we have videos for every level of learning. Levéal 1, Tusahori, Level 1, Beginners. Tá an agus na fothedal in Gaeilge agus in Méarla. The audio and the subtitles are both in Irish and in English. Fuirfeadh le tús maith a chur le d'aistear fáilme. A perfect start to your language learning journey. Levéal 2, Idirmhanach, Level 2, Intermediate. Tá an in Gaeilge 1 ach tá na fothedal dá theangach. The audio is in Irish only, but the subtitles are bilingual. Cabhraíonn sé sin leat éisteacht agus tuiscint a chleachta. That will help you practice your listening and your comprehension. Level 3, Ard Levéal. Level 3, Advanced. Tá gach rud in Gaeilge amháin, fuam agus fothedal. Everything is in Irish only, the audio and the subtitles. Do dhaoine atá ag iarraidh líofacht a bhaint amach, for people who are aiming for language fluency. Agus gach mí freisin bei árainn na míosa againn. And every month, we will feature a Song of the Month. Fáilim árainn nua in Gaeilge, le focal, brí agus fuam nu soléir. Learn a new Irish song with lyrics, meaning and clear pronunciation. Mar sin, cibé levéal atá at, tá áit duitse an seo. So, whatever your level, there's a place for you here. Mar sin, ar Island, a Shane, a Do, a Tree.